What if we told you that comics in India are making a massive comeback? That the stories we grew up with, full of adventure, history, and mythology, are now evolving into something even more exciting? Well, Insight's team saw it happening right in front of their eyes at the Word Book Fair. From legendary pioneers to fresh new creators, the comic and graphic novel scene is buzzing with creativity. Miss the event? Don't worry, Insight hit the ground at NDWBF and got it covered. Join us as we take you through this vibrant world of Indian comics. So come along and see what we discovered at the fair. सुपंडी, नागराज, बांकेलाल, चंपक के चीकू मीकू और अमर चित्रकथा के रिलीजियस लेजेंड्स और एपिक्स. The very mention of these names sends a sweet wave of nostalgia through the heart. जैसे बचपन की गलियों से कोई संदेश आया हो. These comics, which were household favorites till 80s and 90s, with the rise of video games and internet, saw a sharp decline.
First decline happened in the 90s when VCRs came.
Yeah.
Earlier TV was the only source for entertainment.
Yeah.
But then VCRs really came into households and there were these cassettes. It was a very long time. I was probably very small kid, maybe you guys were as well.
Yeah.
But at that time then people started, they stopped reading those pulp fiction novels.
Yes.
And then other decline happened after 2010. After the advent of Android and mobile smartphones.
Yes.
So now people are consuming so much, like while we scroll. If we scroll for 1 hour, you don't know, but you're reading one book.
Yeah.
You're reading memes, that is, you're consuming content. So people are consuming so much content, so they do not have hunger for other content.
But with the emergence of new age Indian graphic novelists and initiatives like Comics Creator Championship, Comic Con, and Waves, the industry is making a strong comeback. Globally, the comic book industry was valued at $14.69 billion in 2021 and is projected to reach $21.37 billion by 2029. At this year's fair, stalls featuring illustrated edition of Hanuman Chalisa, Mahabharat retellings and Indian war hero stories drew massive crowd. Publishers like Amar Chitrakatha, Raj Comics and Campfire were also here, bringing Indian legends to life through their stunning visuals and gripping storytelling. The Amar Chitrakatha stall showcased its entire collection, from timeless religious epics to bestsellers like Tinkle and Supandi. A perfect blend of mythology, history and entertainment.
तो ऐसा है कि now अमर चित्रकथा is giving new stories, new ideas. So in the school institutions, अभी हमने मोदी जी के ऊपर किया है मन की बात, तो उसको हमने स्टोरी बुक्स में किया. उसमें 14 वॉल्यूम्स अभी आए हैं टोटल और वो 12 लैंग्वेज आ चुकी हैं. इट इज़ ए बिग सरप्राइज फॉर अस और वो हमने मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर के लिए काम किया है.
Raj Comics actually started in 1986. And since 1986, the trend that we have noticed is that every 5 years, this trend to attract the new readers has been very important. If you see the comics, if you study the evolution of comics, in 2000s, we were introduced to Photoshop software. Digital coloring was introduced in India. And in 2010s, India finally opened up to international comics. So at that point of time, the Indian readers started having access to international comics as well. So at that time, Indian comics quality immensely grew.
Okay.
and now Indian illustrators, they started getting professional coaching. There were institutes were established in India, and they had a lot of gaming from the training from the gaming section. So now we can say that currently, since in fact 2015's Indian comics quality is comparable to Marvel comics quality when it comes to illustrations. But this has been one reason why the cost of producing a comic has gone up significantly as well.
Let's hear from their representatives at the Raj Comics stall about the trends they have witnessed over time.
Over the years, we have tried and published content for all ages. For example, at some point of time, we noticed that we wanted to capture a kids audience. Action comics were supposedly always for a more teenage and more much mature audience. Then we introduced some characters for kids like Bankilal, and it is comparable to the Tinkle, Supandi and other characters, and Chacha Chaudhary. It falls into that category. But yes, the major reader of Raj Comics is a teenager to adult. That's always been the case. And while Raj Comics has taken steps to be more prominent amongst kids, so I can say that none of them has worked very well. The reason for that is that now in this era, kids are more inclined to consume other media. So Raj Comics is trying to adapt into those mediums, and I think that is the way to finally capture that audience.
सिनेमिक्स हर तरह की कॉमिक्स बनाता है, जिसमें हॉरर है, कॉमेडी है, किड्स जॉनर है और साथ में कुछ सस्पेंस थ्रिलर, मर्डर मिस्ट्री, एडवेंचरस एंड कुछ टाइम ट्रेवल.
Interestingly, they are the first comic publishers to bring Chandrakanta to life in a graphic format. Comic stalls explore करते करते हम पहुंचे एक तारा, जिनकी इंडियन आर्ट फॉर्म्स में पब्लिश्ड कॉमिक्स और ग्राफिक नॉवेल्स ने हमें दूर से ही अट्रैक्ट कर दिया. इंडिया के ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट फॉर्म्स को इस तरह अप्रिशिएट और रिप्रेजेंट करना वाकई कमेंडेबल था.
तो हम ये खास कोशिश करते हैं कि आर्ट के प्रति लोगों का लगाव हो, साहित्य के प्रति लोगों का लगाव हो. इसीलिए हमारी बहुत कोशिश है, हम इससे कोई भाषा सिखाना या कोई अपना विचार उन तक लाना, ये हमारी कोई कोशिश नहीं रहती. हमें लगता है कि एक अच्छे कला, एक अच्छे चित्र के साथ कोई इतिहास, कोई लिटरेचर को पढ़े, उसको सराहे, इसको एंजॉय करे.
This publication house fascinatingly was entirely dedicated to the environment.
Hi, my name is Abhishek and my wife Ritika and I are the founders of Biplog World, where we create content to get children to learn through the format of engaging and entertaining stories. Like Ritika loves to say, there is a Biplog within each one of us. Because Biplog comes with a belief that no matter what problem it is that you are facing, you don't need a superhero to come from outside and solve that for you. The solutions all lie within us. Our natural world and our ancient heritage is fascinating and mind-blowingly beautiful. It just needs to be presented in the right format, which is entertaining and engaging. And we will have generations of Indians who will cherish and take care of the two of us.
ये मेरी अश्वत्था ट्री पब्लिशिंग जो है, ये मैं बच्चों के लिए पुस्तकें लेकर आती हूँ और मेरा जो मेन एम है ये सारी बुक्स को क्रिएट करने का कि बच्चे अपने देश को लेके, अपने कल्चर को लेके, अपने ट्रेडिशंस, फेस्टिवल्स को लेके प्राउड फील करें कि आई एम एन इंडियन, आई एम प्राउड टू बी एन इंडियन. ठीक है, तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो समय के साथ वो खोती जा रही हैं, तो बस उसको है कि उसको ज़िंदा रखा जाए और बच्चों को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए. छोटे ही हैं और इस तरह की पुस्तकें जो हैं, अगर हम बचपन में ही अगर उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करते तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो सीख सकते हैं.
At many of these stalls, we noticed a growing trend of showcasing India's rich history and heritage.
So we are Campfire Graphic Novels, Delhi-based publisher doing distribution all over the world. So graphic novel, if I explain, graphic novel are very similar to comic, but comics are light literature where we do literature in the form of comic. I'll introduce you our categories. So we have biographies from legends to leaders from all over the world, including Indian leaders like Gandhi, to the legends or leaders like Steve Jobs, Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela. Then we have collection of classics, more than 40 titles from Shakespeare to Jane Austen, S.G. Wells. All of those novels, great novels, are adapted in a graphic novel form, in a comic form. Then we have our next category, which is mythology, Indian mythology. So we have Draupadi, Karna, Kaurva Empire, Shakuni, Prince of Ayodhya, book on Ram, to Greek mythology like Perseus, Jason and Argonaut, legends. So we do mythology, the difference is we do from the character's point of view. The entire story of Draupadi in one book, from birth till end, one book complete story in book. We also have one more category, which is history. So history means not only text, the artwork is also very authentic and well researched. If you see any location or dresses or weapons, whatever you are seeing are well researched. Before drawing, you can compare all the panels with archival photographs. They are very similar to the actual sites. So at the time of reading, whatever you are seeing, they all are authentic and realistic. And in India and some other surrounding countries, we are doing distribution through IBD, Prakash, some of our distributors.
A multiple-time winner of a Best Graphic Novel Award at Comic-Con, Campfire stood out as a powerhouse of creativity and storytelling excellence.
Apart from English, we are also happy to announce you that we are making you aware about more than 14 international languages. We already sold our language rights. So Spanish to Greek, Arabic. There are several publishers who already accepted our content and publishing these into international languages.
Our final stop was at An Publications. Dedicated to honoring the real heroes of our nation, An is a publication with a purpose.
नमस्कार जी, जय हिंद। मैं आन पब्लिशर को देखती हूँ। मैंने अपने बेटे के संग मिल के ये पब्लिशिंग खोली है, आन पब्लिशर्स। आन पब्लिशर्स का मीनिंग ये है A फॉर आर्मी, A फॉर एयरफोर्स, N फॉर नेवी। तो दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव टेकन दिस नेम आन पब्लिशर्स। अब आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि हम जो रियल हीरोज़ हैं इंडिया के, जो सचमुच सच्ची में हमारे ही हीरोज़ हैं, जिनके बारे में हमें पता नहीं है, उनको हम आपके सामने लेकर आते हैं ताकि हमारे देशवासियों को पता लगे कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और कैसे कितने हीरोज़ हैं हमारे जिनको हम लोग जानते तक नहीं हैं। तो उनको जानने के लिए हमने ये पब्लिशिंग खोला है और इसमें वॉर और वॉरियर्स के ऊपर ही हम लोग काम करते हैं।
Their comics serve as a tribute to true saviors, real-life superheroes and fearless protectors of India.
जिसकी ये कंपनी है उसको आर्मी से बहुत शुरू से ही, बचपन से ही उसको था कि मैं अपने देश को ऊपर दिखाऊं और पाकिस्तानियों को नीचे दिखाऊं, शत्रुओं को नीचे दिखाऊं। तो वो छोटे छोटे बचपन में बनाया करता था कैरिकेचर्स, जिसको कि आज वो इस पे लेके आया है।
So, wasn't the event truly captivating? इस इवेंट कवरेज से एक चीज हमें बहुत क्लियरली समझ आई कि चाहे ग्राफिक्स की बात करें या स्टोरीज की, हर एस्पेक्ट से इंडियन कॉमिक्स और ग्राफिक नॉवेल्स एक मच अवेटेड कमबैक कर रही हैं। These vibrant creations are rekindling the magic of illustrated storytelling. They are bringing fresh narratives with artistic brilliance to the table and we are all in. इस वीडियो में फिलहाल इतना ही, पर जाने से पहले अपनी फेवरेट कॉमिक कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताते जाएं और ऐसे ही नए इवेंट्स और एक्सक्लूसिव कंटेंट के लिए स्टे कनेक्टेड एंड सब्सक्राइब टू इनसाइट।